The third and final pre-release Android 12L update has arrived in the form of Beta 3. The next stop is a stable release, hopefully within the next few weeks. Until then though, we've gone hands-on to work out everything new, and sadly, there ain't that much to sink your teeth into. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. So as we've just mentioned, this is the final Android 12L beta build before the stable release sometime in the next few weeks. And also this is the first beta that the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are eligible to install. If you would like to enroll upon your device, which we wouldn't necessarily recommend, you can always head to the link in the description and get started. Be sure to check out all of the other features that we've documented in our previous Android 12L videos as well, as you'll get all of these and you'll be able to test and try these out on your latest Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. As for 12L Beta 3 though, we didn't expect a lot of major changes, but Google has kept things incredibly lightweight here. Almost all of the changes of note are aesthetic to help clean up Android 12. One notable removal though is the lack of quick split screen launch toggle for picture-in-picture videos. Personally though, I am hoping this one returns in the stable release, as it was a nice little option to have. Beta 3 adds some more preparations for larger displays out there with a new 6x5 grid option for the Pixel launcher. You may need to adjust screen DPI in developer options to get this to appear on smaller handsets though. Split screen app pair windows that were introduced on one of the earlier 12L beta builds now have radii that actually match the screen corner radii on your device. So for instance on the Pixel 5, the corners are still more prominently rounded as the screen is on the Pixel 5 than they are on the Pixel 6, which is now available and has boxier corners. The split top option as well when you initiate split screen is also now coloured in to denote just where the app will be pinned on your screen, making it easier for novice users to understand at a glance. There are also some minor tweaks to the notification shade, including a shift of the no notifications text to a more central position when that shade is fully expanded. On top of that, certain quick settings toggles now have similarly centrally aligned headers and submenu layout adjustment, likely to help clean things up for devices with larger displays. You may also notice some minor animation improvements here and there, but we're sad to say that 12L Beta 3 is very light on the ground. Overall though, it seems pretty darn stable compared to some of the previous updates, despite having little new here for us to report. If you've installed Beta 3 on your device and have spotted anything you think might be new or even notable, or on top of that even undiscovered, be sure to let us know down in the comment sections below. And because we're as sad about this update as you are, you can also find our free exclusive Beta 3 wallpaper via the link in the description. And if this video manages to get a further 1500 likes, we'll even throw in a few other special wallpapers for you there too. With all of that said though, we do hope you still enjoyed this very, very short video. Until next time, this is Damien with 9 to 5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.